We're going to do a video on Carnival Cruise Stock Analysis, CCL Stock Valuation, CCL Stock Prediction, and we've got a daily chart here of Carnival Cruise with a blue 200-day moving average. And let's go down here real quick and make sure we're on daily. So we've got basically a price that rallied, made a high today of $10.45, the highest it's made all the way back since October 10th. It's got some resistance right here at about the $11.16 level, but it did make a good rally here this week. We've got a 20-day moving average, it's above that. We've got a 5-day moving average, it's above that. It's below the 200-week moving average. This stock's still in a bear market, but it's making an attempt to try to escape its previous lows, and it's doing that. It's running smack dab into this consolidation range here starting back in June all through the summer, and it's debatable whether it will be able to get through that. The first price it's got to get above is $11.19. Again, the high today was $10.45. It's putting a nice strong showing, but it's beginning to be overbought, as I'll show you in a minute on the hourly chart. I'm going to show you a weekly, and then I'll show you some algorithmically generated entry prices if we have them. Let's take a look real quick at the hourly chart. You can see this stock's getting seriously overbought. This is the 200-hour moving average, and you can see we put in a nice break of the 200-hour moving average. Is really good the way it should look. We came across, and then somebody came in. A lot of people came in and bought the heck out of it, put a big gap in it, and drove it all the way up here to this price, this $10, and I think it closed at $10.34. The reality of the situation is that this is a parabolic move, and it can't, respectfully, it can't last. So this is probably going to drop down to about 950 next week, something, be my guess, to correct this parabolic move, in my opinion, for entertainment purposes only. That doesn't mean it can't go higher first, but I think it will eventually break down here before too long. Probably catch this 20-hour moving average, but maybe not. But it's going parabolic here, and that's usually not going to last. It's hard to say what's going to happen here, but you can see this type of move here was corrected. You had a short little tiny move like that right here that was corrected, and so I would suspect this move is going to get corrected. It's not as parabolic as the other ones, but it's definitely what I think is an overbought situation. Let's go to the weekly chart real quick and see what's going on over there. We got a weekly chart that looks like the price closed up for the first time significantly above the 20-week moving average, the red line, and it's the first time it's done that since all the way back here, it looks like since February of 2022. Here's your 200-week moving average. You can see we're way far away from getting out of this this bear market. It just put in its lowest low here at $6.11 the week of October 10th, but it's making a good stab at it. It's got to get above this $11.14, as I said earlier, but it has closed above what is becoming a flat 20-week moving average. But it's still, you'll notice, it rallied above the 20-week moving average, but the 5-week is below the 20-week. That's never good. So we have to get this 5-week above the red 20-week and price above both of them, and then maybe it can move up here into the levels of the 15 or so. It's got to get past this $11.19 first. That's its major resistance right here. Then it's going to run into major resistance right here. But that's that's almost a doubling of the stock, or it's over doubling the stock. So right in this little range here, this $11.19 is something to look at for next week. Let's see if we cover Carnival on RBAM Research. And we do, but for Monday, the 11th of November, I'm sorry, the 14th of November, we have no buy prices for it, and that's just what the algos pull. Sometimes it doesn't, sometimes it does. You can get access to all of our algorithmically generated entry prices every morning before 7 a.m. at rbamresearch.com. You can get a free trial over there with no credit card. There's a link in the description below. Just follow it to RBAM, put in your email address, get instant access to 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, and the most liquid futures contracts. Crypto's been suspended until the volatility slows down. All available by 8 a.m. Monday through Friday. Everything you've seen and heard on here is for entertainment purposes only, including your entry prices and the commentary. You can't use it for anything other than entertainment. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you have a ticker symbol you want us to do a video on, please leave it in the comment section below. And if we think it's a good one, we will consider doing it.